Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to make light, fluffy, and very delicious pancakes. For this recipe we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 440 milliliters of milk, 2 egg yolks, 2 egg white, 65 grams of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 60 milliliters of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the salt and the baking powder to the flour and sift it. On medium speed, beat the egg white until they're frothy. Gradually add the sugar and crank up the mixture to the high speed until stiff peaks. Add the egg yolks, milk, and the melted butter to the flour mix and mix well. Add the beaten egg white and keep folding until completely combined. Add about 1/4 cup of the mix to the fry pan. Leave it for about 2 minutes, then flip it for 30 seconds. And your pancake will be ready to serve. For more videos, Please subscribe. Hit like and share if you like the video. Thank you.